right, it's gonna be so important. Pineapple. I got some leftover pineapple from yesterday. All right, we're gonna put some pineapple straight into the blender. All right, that's looking lovely and nice. All right. Yeah, pineapple. Nicole, good morning. Thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate the love. All right, we got some kiwi. We're gonna put some kiwi inside of it, guys. All right. I don't know if you guys like kiwi, but me personally, I love my kiwi. All right. Yeah, so here it is, medium-sized kiwi. All right, we got some ginger. We're gonna put some ginger inside of it. All right. Now, what I want to simply say to you guys, the drinks should have made 1:30 today. So I have to say, because of some of my audience, they were saying to me, Chef Ricardo, can I make it in the evening? Because of their time, you know, because some place right now, you know, it's like morning right now, you know. Some people just waking up and getting ready to go to work. Some ginger. Lovely and nice. So that looking nice, guys. Yeah. All right, that's some fresh ginger I'm using right there. All right, look at this. Beautiful. Ginger. We got a lot of ginger. Whole heap of ginger, guys. All right. And then I'm using 2 medium-sized kiwi because, you know what I mean, I like my kiwi. All right. Nice one. Yeah. So right here, I have a medium-sized beetroot, which I'm going to be using. All right. But I'm going to remove the skin from the beetroot. You don't have to remove the skin, guys, because, you know what I mean, a lot of people was like, Chef Ricardo, do I have to move the skin? No. You do not have to move the skin from the beetroot. But I only do it because you know what I mean? I only do it because of I did not wash off mine with any baking soda. You know what I mean? Yeah. But otherwise, it's nice, guys. It's beautiful. And I love them. I love the beetroot. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut up my beetroot into some small pieces. All right. Wow. Now, look at this beautiful fresh beetroot. You see? Look how it's fresh and nice. All right. So right here, I'm going to put this beetroot straight inside of the blender. Like this. Okay. Look at that. That is amazing. The flavor and the texture is so lovely. Yeah. So lovely. All right. That's all of the beetroot right there. All right, look at that, guys. See that? That is so lovely. It's so nice. And that's what I'm talking about with the beetroot. Yeah. So as you guys can see, the beetroot what I'm using. So I use 1 large beetroot, 2 kiwi, a large portion of ginger, and some pineapple. We're going to put a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Just a little pinch. Alright. And then we're going to put some water inside of the blender. Alright. I'm using roughly about half bucket of water, roughly would work out to a cup. Alright. Oh, yeah. I was going to use carrot now, but you don't know what happened. I got some kiwi which I need to use up. So I decided to use up my kiwi today. Yes, I was going to be using my carrot, but I said no. I need to use up my my kiwi because my kiwi gonna be running out of dates and I don't want that to spoil. So we can do some beetroot and carrot tomorrow because tomorrow is Saturday, so we got 2 more days to go, so we can do some tomorrow. All right. Hope you guys don't get upset with Chef Ricardo, please. All right. Let's cover this up. Yeah. Thank you so much. You're enjoying the recipe. Thank you so much, Wendy. All right. Now look at this. All right. So I'm gonna blend this up. I'm gonna blend it up and get that beautiful flavor from out of it and the taste and the texture. Oh yeah. So Wanda Washington. Wanda Washington. Thank you so much though. I appreciate the love. All right. So don't feel any way. We're gonna be doing some great things. All right. Now we're gonna blend this up, guys. All right. We're gonna blend up this. Yeah. All right. Craig, did you do your 5,000 step this morning? I'm gonna use my strainer. All right. Yeah. Looking good. All right, it wasn't a long blend, but I think it's still all right. Yeah. Oh yeah, that smells amazing, guys. Honestly, look at this. Wow. See that? Wow. That looks amazing. All right, 100%. Look at that, guys. All right, beautiful. Look at that, guys. That looks lovely. All right. Nice one. See that? That looking lovely. Wow. Fox and Fox, what's going on? Yes, man, this is amazing. The flavor and the texture is so beautiful. Guys, let's get the like up to 50. All right, let's get the like up to 100, I mean. Sorry. This is amazing. Look at that. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. I love this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah, that is lovely. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Definitely. Yeah. Look at that. This is so nice. I'm gonna get half of my favorite right here, lemon. Or you can use lime. All right. Yeah. Yeah, that's usually one that makes you happy, guys. Lemon or lime. Squeeze it in like this. All right. Yes. Cracks me up. What's going on? Yes, guys, as you can see, that looks really fantastic and amazing, guys. All right. Fox and Fox, good morning. All right. 100%. That's my snack for tonight. Yes, guys, look at that. Rich. Yeah, rich, guys. That is just rich. All right. Ilya Fox. Yes, you can make something with the rest of the fiber. You can make a pudding from it. All right. You can use chocolate and make it together. Yeah, you can make something from it. 100%. Next time I show you what you can do with it. Next time I show you how you can make something from it. Look at this, guys. Wow. All right. That's what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Yeah, that is lovely. 100%. Okay. That is beautiful. The flavor and the texture is amazing. All right. Yeah. Yeah, that is lovely, guys. Yes, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. All right. I just want to say thank every one of you guys